Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
The Minister of Legal and Constitutional Affairs, Marlene Malahou Fort, says national introspection is needed in response to the growing number of Jamaicans demanding to be paid for their votes at election time. Mistress Malahou Fort, the MP for West Central St. James, says she witnessed persons demanding to be paid before voting on local government election day on Monday. My viewers and subscribers, wanna see this a reverse psychologist thing where she a come with now? Wanna see them a thing where she a come with? When you come tell we say your witness. If you not come with evidence, we don't want to hear nothing from you. Because every video clip we are go around where we are see, and every video clip where people are sent to we is uno own counselor them a give out money, a buy vote. Uno labor right. So when you come out and you talk, you do a reverse psychology. You want it to look like a PNP. We all know say a labor right. Even if PNP do it, we not have video with that. We not see. You understand? And when you not see, you not know. Come let me tell you that. Every video clip, my viewers and subscribers that is going around, are only labor right alone I take money for vote. You hear? Only labor right alone. So when they see she come out, our brain she I use. And I don't know what they say, you know? Our brain she I use, my viewers and subscribers. Don't make she fool, you know. She Marlene Malahou there, where you see there. She, Andrew Backbone, this one here. She, Andrew Backbone. Write everything for Andrew Wellness, that one here. But oh, she witness. Me say, if you not come with proof, we don't want to hear it. We don't want to hear it about you witness. If you witness, I must labor right you witness. Because every video clip that we've seen, we see about 4 video clips, my viewers and subscribers, so far. And they're all labor right. All labor right. 1 and 2 PNP, we go, but a labor right to give away money. So when she come out, I just choose she not see nobody come out and attack Pani now, and they want make a little fuss because they want everybody feed them and feed them side. That's why I say she come out. Nothing else. Nothing else. And as I said, we not believe you until you show me proof. Just like when we have the proof, the evidence, yes. I see we want to see you come out and show it. Because you can't come and say anything. Maybe not even go so. You understand, my viewers and subscribers? So I just try to show you with this woman here. Andrew Backbone this here. I'm telling you, say Andrew Backbone. She and Kamina Johnson. Andrew Wellness Backbone them here. So you can't fool me. Malahou, when you come out with a little trick up your sleeve, you can't fool me. My viewers and subscribers, wanna tell me what you think and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, hear this. My viewers and subscribers, I say I couldn't wait for show one this clip here. Yes, man, I couldn't wait because the people them, then go out of the electoral office and demonstrate. This is what me like to see. So you see, when me come out and me attack, me know so me not talk in a vain. When me said to you yesterday, say, my viewers and subscribers, The video when me post early in the morning when me say uno fi take it to the street, uno go out, go protest. And that me say, and that the people them do. And me like it. It is a good look. Things like this uno fi do. When uno do that, you know, man. Remember, you know, uno have power, you know. Remember, say the power is in the hands of the people. So if uno just sit back and not do no movements, you understand? Then do as them like, but uno go out, uno show say uno is in control. And me like that. I'm proud of uno. When me see uno out there, me say, yes. Yes, the people, them get it. Them get it. You have all heap of them, no get it, you know. But when me see the crowd, me say, what you mean, man? Me like how the People's National Party, they out every day. You know notice? From the 26th, them out every day. You can't see one labor right. Everybody quiet. Them Prime Minister vex, so them vex. Prime Minister, remember, you know? And you only say, man, winning it. He claim victory. So how him not go up at the headquarters? People did up there wait for him, you know. About 10 people did up there. About 10. When I say 10, including the selector them also did up there. I wait for Andrew. Andrew only not turn up. Andrew only going to the press conference. And then he saying care about people. When you see the woman that wave a flag, would I have to go show my viewers and subscribers? The woman alone stand up there and the picture man them out there. Hey. My viewers and subscribers, me say... Me say the people them is nowhere to be seen. All them do depend social media as to say go a PNP, across PNP before they go support. Before they go support them Prime Minister. Then I say them Prime Minister stress out. So two Prime Minister stress, them stress too. Them stress and shame. Me say every time, you know, my viewers and subscribers have been updating, you know, on Facebook also. And when me update, you know, and I make them know what go on and who win, no for them I say, a lie. And I say, poor soul, me know say hard to take in. You know, it's hard to take in, but it's just the truth. And I say it already, I'm going to say it again. PNP is the winner. No matter what them I try to do, a PNP win. I just try them I try to thief the election, for take you Andrew. That's all. But a PNP win, everybody know that. Because then declare PNP win Clarendon. Take away Clarendon. And then after them chat about a JLP. After my viewers and subscribers, these people, them are something else. They are something else. So when I see the People's National Party, when I see them outside the electoral office, I say, yes, of course. Me like this are the right thing because why them a move? Why them move from the electoral office and bring the last ballot over to Duke Street? Why them do that? Because they have setting up them sleeve. They know exactly what them a do. Come on, we take 4 days. 4 days? Really? Listen, my viewers and subscribers hear this.
And the idolatry, burning candles to go back. Hallelujah. Some of you say no witchcraft that, yet you all say that I'm the cult pastor. All of what you are doing, listen, the last election, many of you went into idolatry. You went into witchcraft. You went to opium men and opium women. Some of you went to the lodge, the dealer and the baphomet. Soak yourself to go back. This the Lord told me. Enough is enough. Hallelujah. Your opium now go help you. Your opium green clubs now help you. They can't go back to green Japan. Now help Paul. And all of the money that you are spending, the 15 grand a vote and the $50,000 vote, it now go help. Because listen, I want the people to turn their back against your money. Turn their back against your opium and your witchcraft. Listen, the nomination day cause many to be belching, many to be having running a penny. We have never seen, listen, in the vision, hallelujah, I saw hundreds and thousands of people. Listen, the local government election is gonna cause history, make history. History is gonna be in the making.
So una hear what Pastor Chambers say, a serious thing a go on. Pastor Chambers said them a have running belly. We know say them a have the running belly, man. We know exactly what them a do. But it not go work. Them a go down. It not go work. We're not having it. We are not having it. We need a change and we need it now. We know that Andrew Holness is not the one. Some people not understand, you know. This is what me not get with them. Andrew Holness come out in a amount of things what Andrew Holness do during pandemic. They forget. They don't know, say I just easy, Andrew Holness easy. You understand? He just a wait for win the election and everything when Sam did I go do and he stop, him a go do it. It a go bounce right back. At that, but no know that. The labor right them so dons. When them ready, them must say PNP though. PNP people they no dons. I labor right at uno dons. Because if una put on green clothes and I run behind a man like that, we thief for much land and I plan for thief more and taxpayer money and he under investigation right now. And he legalized transgender all them sitting there and una run behind Andrew Holness. Uno no say uno dons and sitting wrong with uno. You guys don't have no sense. This is why I love my subscribers them. Because my subscribers them full of wisdom. My people them real fan of hot off of the press. Know where we are come from and understand what me I say. Because them full of knowledge, wisdom and understanding. My viewers and subscribers, I want you to listen to this. Because you know say Everall Warmington she come out and I said the Jamaican people misunderstood what he was saying. Who remember the video when I posted yesterday? Everall Warmington say he might go make a PNP then suffer. And that he said they not spending money. A taxpayer money he talk about, you know. Taxpayer money. And that he might do with the money. And you only say somebody dirty kin, nasty fierce. Everall Warmington for spend taxpayer money. And him a call it for him money and how him a go make PNP suffer. This a man a come out and I try tell we say we misunderstood. Anyway, again he come out and he apologize. So, you must know if you don't want to accept the apology. Let me tell you something. Me hear some people talk about Dennis Meadows, yeah, and I talk about where him speech where him say. I didn't actually listen to the speech, but me hear people is talking about it, about the chopper thing. To me, it is not right for Dennis to do that. It is wrong. It is unacceptable. However, members of the Prime Minister chopper, you know, a #1 top scammer. So, remember, you know, from the head of the stream dirty, the bottom of the stream I got dirty. Remember, say a peer scammer, you know, the about, you know, Andrew Holness a #1 scammer. You understand me? Andrew Holness a #1 scammer. Not saying what Dennis Meadows say, and that is acceptable. It is unacceptable. But me hear una talk about if you resign. What una chat say? Look for Everall Warmington. When the bridge need for fix, Everall Warmington say he not fix no bridge. PNP them have to wait for about 2 years because they never vote for him. Who remember that? So when I talk about Everall Warmington need chance, he no need no chance. And him same one come out and call Lisa and a Jezebel. Oh no know this a man and have no manners and no respect. Amount of chances Everall Warmington get. If he get fire, he no deserve no more chances. This is the last straw. This is the last straw. You know, means that you come out and he must say, he apologize and he must talk about how people misunderstood. It means that him not going to make people them suffer. He will do it. He do it before. He talk it out of his mouth. Him do it before. When the bridge for fix, him say, nah, fix no bridge. And you know, give the PNP people them no money. I want it there. This a man you need to come out of parliament. He no word, he no need to be in no house of parliament. He is not credible. This a man is the most disgusting man in the parliament. Everall Warmington. And this is the reason why Andrew Holness do not want to sign the code of conduct. Because he have members like him. He have members like him because if he sign it and then he go out of character, he might go lose his job. This is the whole reason why you see Andrew Holness can't sign the code of conduct either. You understand me? I try to show on my viewers and subscribers. So when I not talk about chances, Dennis Meadows come and once he ever come. So him need a second chance. Because at first he ever come out and say something like this. You understand? But Everall Warmington, and at first he keep. You say, well, Everall Warmington, I say, you think I plan for it. That's something I do for a long time. I remember when Lisa Anna go out and say she want fair constituency for fix. Lisa Anna go out and write to them, Everal Warmington, everything. 2 years it take her. No matter how she ring them never did a look left or right. Me put out the video on the channel here before. So a long time me make the people them a suffer. I may have video clips can show uno. Maybe me not show uno today because me never get the time to go screen record it. But the videos that me put them out before on my channel, so me go show uno back. Everal Warmington, I don't want Kool youth. So nobody feels I plan for do it. That's something I do long. But the reason why you see Everal Warmington come out and apologize, I true it hot right now, and Andrew Honest now have it. All of the other time when he might disrespect people, and I talk about he not fix no bridge, and he did. He said the reason why he never fixed the bridge, I true because the people them did go vote for PNP. He talk it out of his mouth, and he say he not fix no bridge, and he take 2 years, and he never fix it. So no come go and like say, Everal Warmington, I know nice boy, I know nice boy. One time I did COVID time, in the pan road, I walk around without mask. When the police then stop him, he call Horace Chang. And I say, oh boy, them are disrespect him. Remember, you know? Remember him a walk around without mask. I remember say people I get charged, all 100,000 people I get charged and lock up. And then do nothing to Everal Warmington. He always a break the law and get away with it. You understand me? So, when I not talk about Everal Warmington not credible. My viewers and subscribers between me and Uno. Uno no here when do to Andre. Uno can stay there. Hey, but me gonna leave that for you next time. Anyway, Uno like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Uno big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.